A growing wildfire in Northern California has destroyed 5 homes now and put another 1,000 at risk. The fire that began on Wednesday is now burning on 20 acres about 40 miles northeast of Sacramento. The fire now about 25% contained, but investigators still don't know what sparked this wildfire.
From the CBS 6 Storm Team, rated most accurate in Central Virginia, meteorologist Carrie Rose.
And Carrie, here in our area, we've got kind of a good news, bad news scenario because we're expecting rain, but there's so much going on outside this weekend.
Yeah, exactly. So that's bad news for the outdoor events, but the good news is that it's not a total washout and we do need the rain. So this is welcome rainfall. Sunshine for us right now. Do you see these white tents? That's the folk festival that we've been talking about, set up just along the James. But let me show you what's also set up over Central Virginia, and it's that stalled boundary. You can see the cloud deck that's been streaming in over us and the approaching showers, even some thunderstorms in our neighboring states off to the west. This is linked all the way back to this disturbance, and this is really what's going to bring us our best opportunity for rain later this evening, overnight, and into tomorrow morning as this disturbance rides along that stalled boundary almost like it's a vehicle on a highway. And so what that will do for us is bring in more cloud cover and bring in the rain, which is already falling across northern and west central parts of our area. Let me just peel away the clouds so we can see on our live sweep. Green indicates light rain, the yellow indicates moderate, and when you get into the orange, that's more of a heavier rainfall. No lightning out of this right now, which is good news, especially for those of you up around the Doswell exit heading up into the northwestern parts of Hanover County and into Louisa County, getting some pockets of more moderate rainfall around Apple Grove. Then this is all tracking to the north and east at 20 miles per hour. Nice steady rain all across Palmyra, and as you head just clipping into parts of Cumberland County, back up on the north side of Central Virginia, it is a light rain. But look, it has definitely kept your temperatures much cooler than the rest of central, eastern, and south central Virginia. You're running easily 10 degrees cooler than the rest of us because of the cloud cover and because of the arrival of the rain faster for you than for us here. For example, in the metro, we're into the low to mid 70s with that high cloud cover starting to increase over us. Now let me give you your planner for the rest of today. Your lunch break, great. Even into early afternoon, kids should get home from school dry and fine in the metro, but I do expect us to see our rain chances increasing after 3 p.m. So let's put this into motion. Still have that stalled boundary hanging out with us. Let's pause the clock at 4 p.m. Now pretty much all of Central Virginia overcast, starting to get more of those showers creeping in, but then this is when things get really interesting. After 7 p.m. we'll see some rounds of showers, and I think thunderstorms coming into Central Virginia as well. So be alert for that. Around 9 p.m. tonight, the potential for some heavier rainfall, even some lightning. Follow if you're outdoors. The guidelines going to safe spots outdoors. Overnight, that boundary is still with us into early tomorrow morning, and that will serve as a focus for more shower activity. Now, as promised, let's zoom in a little bit closer here just to the metro so you can find your neighborhood, get oriented here, and let's check the clock. This is us at 9 p.m. That's that time window when I'm telling you that we should have that opportunity to get some of that heavier rainfall starting to come in between 9 p.m. 10 p.m. and you'll see it here we are right in Richmond, getting some of that yellow and orange right over us, and that could indicate the heavier rainfall and even the potential for some lightning, but then it will quickly move away from us. So let's just hop ahead to tomorrow and into the afternoon hours, because as you saw, that stalled boundary starts to get shoved to the south, and that will shift the focus of the rainfall tomorrow afternoon south of Richmond. So if you have outdoor plans tomorrow afternoon in Richmond, it'll be dry, I think. Still cloudy, still cooler, but most of the rain will shift from a line from Farmville to Petersburg to Williamsburg and point south. So that's why I've got the PM in there for tonight's rain chances and the AM for tomorrow. By Sunday, it'll be mostly cloudy and just a slim chance for a few leftover showers here and there in Central Virginia. Cooler. Monday actually looks like a really nice fall day before things get interesting. Again, Cheryl, it's kind of a crazy week in our weather world.
Oh, might want to take an extra long weekend. Thank you, Carrie. On the line, a chance to win a vacation